everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 569 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited because I'm trying out the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And yes, I have never tried this bronzer before. That's something I'm a little bit ashamed to say because I consider myself a makeup lover, a beauty lover, and that I've never tried out the Hoola bronzer. But I've wanted to try it out for at least 2 years since I really got into makeup. But I finally got it because this is the Ulta birthday gift this year, which is perfect because I hadn't tried it yet. But so here is what I got from Ulta for my birthday. And it's cute. It says, "Hoola la, it's your birthday." So it's like a special birthday edition of the bronzer. And it's cute packaging. It's cardboard, but it's got magnets in it. But so at Ulta, the full-size version of this retails for $30, which is crazy expensive to me for a bronzer. That could also be why I hadn't tried this yet, because there are some dollar store bronzers that I love. But you can also get a mini version of this at Ulta for $16, which is probably what I would purchase if I was buying the bronzer, because I have never finished a bronzer before. But I think that's possible with the Hoola bronzer to actually finish your bronzer because this is so highly rated. Everyone seems to love it that this could be one of those bronzers that you just use up and keep repurchasing. So this does come in 4 different shades. This one that I have here is the original Hoola shade, which is the second lightest. So there's a lighter shade than this, and then there's 2 darker shades. I'm gonna start out by swatching it to just kind of see how the shade and the texture is. It is a really nice creamy powder texture. And the first thought that I had when I saw this swatch shade is that it really does look sun-kissed. It's got what I would consider a gold kind of orange tint to it, which does give me that summertime bronze vibe. And even though it's basically the end of August, I don't have any summertime bronze to my skin, so I'm really hopeful that this bronzer will give me that. And so this one does not have a mirror on it, but the full-size version does have a mirror. And the full-size version also does come with a brush. So I'm using my own mirror and my own brush, but this is my favorite bronzer brush. It's from Wet n Wild, so I would want to try out the product with one of my go-to tools and brushes anyways. And this is just a fluffy angled brush. So I'm going to start out by applying this under my cheekbones because I'm going to use it more as a contour. But if you're one of those people that you don't wear blush on your cheeks and you prefer more of like a bronze sweep across your cheeks, you could definitely do that with this and apply it right onto the apples of your cheeks. But for my skin tone, I like to use a pink blush, but then contour underneath that with a bronzer. And wow, that blended out really nicely and really does a good job of both contouring and adding that nice sun-kissed color to the skin. Ooh, that was so easy to apply. So you can definitely build up this color. Like when I first applied it, it's darker, but I really like that it blends out so that it matches as a contour shade for my fair skin very easily. Ooh, I really like how that looks. So far, this is living up to the hype. Okay, then I like to apply bronzer underneath my jawline. That looks like a good shade there. And then as far as my nose contouring goes, I just do very minimal, very light touch. I focus it mostly under my nose to give my nose more of a lifted effect. and then just even out that sun-kissed bronze on the side of my nose. And then for some reason, one of my favorite spots to apply bronzer is my hairline. I feel like when I do that, it just makes my skin seem so much more sun-kissed, but in like a natural way. I don't even really do it necessarily to contour out my forehead. It's more just to give my skin some glow. See the difference that makes? I just feel like that looks like so natural, but like I have color to my skin, but in a very natural way, like I actually got it from the sun. So in the end, it really does come out to that 3 formation that a lot of people use that technique when applying bronzer. I feel like I so quickly and easily was able to add some nice sun-kissed effect, some contour, and it really does look so good on the skin. I understand why this is so high rated. I really do love it, and I want to wear this every day because I love how it applied. I love the effect it gave. I love how it's looking on the skin because it doesn't look powdery or cakey or give any texture. It's very smooth, very even to blend. Yeah. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Hoola bronzer, and I would love to know if you have any tips for using it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.